Some of them ya black guy, them hungry, them not make no money. Hungry, them not make no money. Them not call Donna name, them can't make no money. Them hungry, them can't make no money. Them not have no other work, they make no money. If I no social media, them can't make no money. So them hungry. They say some of them ya black guy, them hungry. When me say some of them black guy hungry, them a fi call Donna name, them hungry, them a fi call Donna name. No matter how simple the thing is, them a fi run out and call the woman name. Just see make money because them don't say them have sure views, see get them hungry.
You think we don't know the fussy world, them not like we. See them all a hype up, but that still not strike we. Cause we a cut and go through, cause love in our heart. We not make them stop we. See you know, don't try the case, tell them what them can't help with. We buy with things and we not listen to whole fart. What's up, people, my family? What's up? You know it's your boy, Speak Your Mind. So what go on, my lovely supporters? What go on? I want man can blow up social media. Lie. Donna, you see next week, I want you to take one bus and crack one in night. Yes, man, make them run with it too, man. Yeah, man. And you did watch the show with Eddie Murphy when the man want to reach up in the place and him hire the man to deliver the pizza and give him the signal when them now want. The man tell them same have a certain sickness, and then them now want to carry the man just put in mouth and just start foam and them run come. Yes, man, more you go somewhere and put another thing in your mouth too, and make them see ya, yeah, and run with it. Say yes, man, cause everything you do, them have to run with it. Now care simple the thing is, them have to run with it. Always nothing no in it, them have to run with it. Speak my mind, people, when you hear the intro. So do they do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support both of the channels by watching the ads, sharing the videos, and sharing the link of the channel, so I can continue to help the needy and not the greedy. Because you see some of them people here, them no needy. Are greedy, them greedy. And me tell you something, I come out here come talk, I don't know what me there talk about. You understand? Because every little thing when I have the woman name in social media, she can't do nothing. I want to know normal life, or she not normal somebody like everybody else. You understand? Some of them people here, 99, you have to leave them alone. You're not here. People tired to talk to you about your close friends, your supporters, and other people talk to you. Leave them alone. Stop have sympathy on them. Because this is one of them called Derrick at the he-she version of Silone. This. He is the he-she version of Silone. You understand? And same like how you did say what you say with the one of England where they come there with the thicker walk. You understand the Duisha, and you did say what you say in front of him. And it wasn't no problem. All when you ask him, you don't feel no way. No, auntie, no, auntie. And him tell us him not feel no way. But when him go away, him go get some skirmish, run up in him brain and in him head like maggot. And work upon him and tell him things and tell him what to come out, come say. And the same thing happened with Derrick. You never say nothing about behind Derrick. Everything what you say in front of him. So if he did have a problem there and then, why him never say it? You understand? Why him never say it? But him go away. People tell him how much insight, you know. How much people say you done him on social media, you put him up on pink wall. Oh, you put him up on pink wall. Him is a social media person. You is a social media person. Pink wall is a social media platform. These are things that pink wall does. So if pink wall screen record whatever she want to screen record, if it's a him or we or whatsoever, and screen record and put it out, you don't have nothing to do with it. Despite when you depend on your life, because you know them are always over Blanca shop. You say call pink wall there. You understand? Because whether they dead, somebody are going to call them or somebody are going to find them and give them it. You understand? You never hide nothing. But at the same time, whatever you even say, I know not nobody has say. I know not nobody has say, you know. But guess what, me know? Some of them are black a long time, we didn't even hear about them. Them not hot again. And them find all kind of excuses, say them kind of ease off of blogging and them stop blogging and them this and them that. And because them see how blogging a go. But what? I hot them not hot again. And them in a crime type of blogging. But them come over in a domestic type of blogging. Them in a crime type of blogging. But them come over in a restaurant type of blogging. What you think? The hungry, them hungry, man. And if them hungry and them drop off of the map, where you can't find them with one magnifying glass, what you expect? A one way for them return, you know. It's one way for them return. And it's a call 99 name. And this is why I want to give the woman our props. And stop going like say, our name in social media not help you a lot. You understand? It help whether negative or positive, our name in social media help the whole away. But someone when negatively call the woman name day in, day out, refuse to give the woman her props. Me I go tell you something, me just get one voice note, one link come to my phone, and me I go show you something. We do me just say right there so. Me Dave not go play the person. Alright. Me get a link, a video link. See it here in my phone. The link, first thing, so the black idea, and put up Donna picture as a DP. And listen. And 8 still them come out here every day to try to tear down the woman name. Before them put some respect on the woman name. Look when title film video, you know. Breaking the biggest scam in Jamaica history reveal. That's when put the theme title, you know. Alright. Look when put now pan the thumbnail. Look how easy me trick them. And me rich now. I go and do it. I say it again. This is the title of the video. Breaking the biggest scam in Jamaica history reveal. And on the thumbnail, look how easy me trick them and me rich now. In the comment section, it come like Planka Nation, bees I wake up and them attack him in the comment section. And him have done the live, what him claim to say him do one live and him management tell him to delete the live. Don't know what him say tonight. But pan this video when me see him do, he coming like Planka Nation come out like a bees eye pan him boy. Every comment him read a Planka Nation. And then before that, him say, with the whole Derrick saga, all Planka people are come out pan her. So you must know say what she say wrong. I soon get into that part there. I just address him first. And him dead and him chat and him chat. And this is not a little small blagger, you know. A big blagger them here. A big blagger them here. Have much subscribers. But when me I say, them deal with crime and all those type of things mainly where you find yourself in a domestic cascas boat. As one somebody say you want CM blagger will lick out pan Derrick day in day out. So where you come now a defend? You come now a defend because Donna name involved and you know Donna name can make you get rich now. And she can put you back pan the map. So basically, him know exactly what him do. Him thumbnail said it all and where him write as him title. Anyway, make we get in a the little mean part, meaty part of the bone here now. Because I not come to stay along on that video here. I just say my 3 cents. People, we all know, all of we, I follow Donna for a while, both before me and after me and at the same time when I come. If you don't understand this woman by now and realize that when she says some things, she don't mean no harm, but it's just how she say it and how it come across. And as me say, if we are follow her a long time, we all understand. You understand? Sometimes she says some things when are supposed to be said if it's true. And we can't go around that. No Planka Nation personnel cannot go around that. Sometimes she said things where she not supposed to say. She could just leave it alone. We all agree. Even she herself, sometimes when she said, she might go back and relax and reflect back and say, boy, she shouldn't say it. Sometimes she said some things and she come back and she even says, you know, she apologized because she realized that she should even say it. But most of these things want to come out and chastise the woman for. It's some simple things where you want to take it and put it in a phone own terminology because of how she deliver it. You understand? Just because of how she deliver it, you want to fix it and put it in a phone terminology, you want to terms it phone away. And as me say, if you want to around this woman and observe, listen to this woman for a while, you want to understand certain things, sometimes certain tone of voice, how she carry across things. Yes, it might not sound good, but we all know what you are trying to get across. Not so we are read people mind, but we all know because after being a part of the support base, we get to understand her. If you just come on board, you might don't understand her and you might want to run with the wrong narrative when she bring across certain things. But if you are here with her for a long while from the 2019 before and little after, you don't know I'm supposed to gradually understand this woman. Now, she has told social media and who never know from day one how far she and Derrick is coming from. Not just yesterday, not just today. Derrick used to go catch her, must buy water for her. Derrick used to come at ATL. Derrick this, Derrick that, and that is long before Derrick's social media fame. Long before Donna's social media fame. You understand? So this is a far way them coming from. So basically, Donna understand Derrick and know say him out no have no filter. And him now wrap up the trace and cuss nobody. But yet still, each time him come around Donna and go away, she treat him just as if she don't know say this is how him stay. She just deal with him level. Right? No matter what him say, where people say him say, people hear what him say, and him always go away and try to probably disrespect her in certain way and talk up, or not say disrespect, but talk up some things sometime about her on social media. And she said she no business. You can't stop me from talking to Derrick. Derrick can't, you not stop Derrick from come here. I know yesterday me and Derrick come. A long time me and Derrick, man. Know. You understand? Yes, man. So she accept him for what it is. Alright. Derrick have come to the woman place probably about 3 to 4 times in the last 3 months. Right? What day last him come, and him come with some merch as I see and understand. Basically, his intention is Donna buy some and probably put him out there. Him come, Donna did not have any extra large to fit Donna. Donna still go all ahead and support him and buy some for probably some of the workers. Buy him lunch, give him fuel to drink after in the hot sun. Alright? She was there. She had him all her business reasoning and she had tried to tell him. As you don't know, Donna always try to uplift people and give them good encouragement, especially when they come on to earning $1. So she was there talking and the man had a reason and he talk about the Panama situation and stuff. And this is why I said these bloggers, you know, they always choose all the negative things. They don't feel like them can get views to positive things. Yes, we know negativity sell. We know that. But sometimes you can't just get up every day and carry all negativity. Sometimes you can carry some positivity. If a negativity that give you 1,000 views and you do positivity and it give you 200, come on, show the world say yes, you can do positive and negative, and it's not just about the 1,000 views to the negative. You accept the 200 for the positive. There is so much positive things that 99 has said during the whole reasoning on that day. Him say, "I want to go to Panama." Donna start tell him about Panama and say, yes man, good thing man. And you know, said to Panama that good for you and stuff, and Ray, and she started to tell him about him not have to stay in a big hotel. Him can in a little hotel like where the eagle them would have go in a $25 and $30 hotel and whatsoever, to him, whatsoever. That's words of encouragement. That's words of encouragement. So this only show you say she want good for him. She don't want no bad for him. A good she want for him. Alright? And them reason and them talk, and she start get down now about the ganses them now, and I tell him, say, boy, listen. Invest the money wisely and whatsoever. Nobody no run with all of them they sitting there now. Me no you no black around with all of them they sitting there. Them they sitting there cut out of the life. Them that sitting there never been said during the whole procedure. But the part where the woman go say, Derrick and Chinese food, and he must spend out and squander out the money and whatsoever. We know when we hear Chinese food as Jamaican, we are talking about money. But gone are the days when if you go in a Chinese restaurant, you have to have big money. You have a little kind of Chinese shop, them, the hun shang shung, different from the fling flang flang fung them. You understand what I say? Yes. So, you can get a cheap Chinese food now if you have $700, $800. And when them really are called Chinese food now and nigga cook it, or they even Chinese food, them just whip it up in a little style of Chinese, like a Chinese, because probably a Chinese own the restaurant. So, Donna might never know so I want $700 for the Chinese food. So when she eat Chinese food now, she probably look on all $2,000 worth of food. So what Donna was trying to get across to Derrick now, Derrick, stop squander the money and buy Chinese food. Better you go buy one little tin of mackerel, tin of bullet beef, or buy a little cheap food and eat. That no mean she not tell him for him good food. That no mean she not tell him for him good food, you know. But she just tell him, say, boy, you just start the little business with the merge. Don't get over-excited till you see the money come. Because that's how it goes with we Jamaican. We don't have no money management. We broke and hungry for 1 year. And somebody come along and Father, God bless you. And put you on your foot and say, go and go try something. And as you start trying, you try and see few dollars are coming. You feel like you have to go squander it and do all of this. Nobody no say you must live good. Nobody say you must eat good food. But wait till you get a steady footing. Don't just dive into the money. Because if you just dive into the money and start live lavish, you're going to go back to square one. And this is what Donna was just trying to get across to you. Don't get up and run go buy no pizza and no lavish but no Chinese food, and just continue to buy one little something and bear it out. Make the sacrifice, bear it out till you can dip on your footing. That's what Donna did try to get across. And everybody blow it out. Oh, she got Panama, go spend how much $1,000 with our team, and she name good food, and she buy this. Come on. She is on good footing, so she can afford to do that. The advice so she give Derrick is not a bad advice. So why don't you come out and make it look like she tell Derrick if you go eat flan while she eat steak and oxtail and fish, shrimp and lobsters? Nobody now tell Derrick you not eat that. But the woman just try to tell Derrick, say, listen, get a hold of yourself, put yourself on your foot. When you merge your money and turn over. Don't make when the merge done. You did have 20 guns and when the merge done, you can go buy back 5. Because you nyam out and squander the whole of it. And all of the black of them, and all of them, same set of people, them, like we used to run behind Silone and put things in a Silone head when none of them can help her. And tell her if you turn her alive and talk up all kind of things. At the same type of skirmish them yeah. I tell Derrick things and I run up in a Derrick head like them a maggage. Who never cut cowhead yet and look and see some more of weaklings in it. That's why most people don't want to eat cowhead and goat head. Yes man. I saw them run up in a Derrick head. And because Derrick is just like Silone, where up here so no stable, yes, him go and run out, I'm going to take what them say. Plus, him is a TikTok person, social media person, so him want content. And him no matter how him get the content, him just know say a content because it can get him earn tops and roses and lions and snakes and vampires and spiders. So him no matter. And them just come and the one Donna I see, yeah man, yeah, she out there style you, yeah man, she go over pink wall and she go in a pink wall comment and she said this and she said that. Him now look into it and say, me don't want to tell me nothing about Donna, make she chat, she free for chat or she for chat me. Because I don't care where she chat me and say tomorrow morning let me go up there and say, Lord Donna, me hungry. Donna, me want red lobster. Yes, Donna, me want pork and fried rice. Donna will give him it. Him now look upon that. Him a look upon with them and so in 9 years and run out. But as me say yesterday, you're 99. We tell you say your heart too soft. We see you kind of hard need where you need your heart need some more. Stop sorry for these people. Stop sorry for these people. When you do for them and you do for them, done with them. Now accommodate them at your yard and them could have come from Jericho. You and them could have come from Moses across the Red Sea. Once you give them sitting and whatsoever, done with them. Make them stop take set pan your place. Stop take set pan you. Them come and them come pan a 1/2 and you hand them sitting. That's it. Make them go. And me I go tell on these people. With all the good encouragement what Donna give him. And nobody not talk about that. More than the little food part what Donna talk about. Them blow it out of proportion. Me tell you this. You Donna, me I go tell you this. You see, because your heart too soft, you're always sorry for these type of people. But me I tell you this, because probably you don't know this. You have greedy and you have needy. Some of these people seems to be needy. Yes, they seems to be needy. Don't get me wrong. But it's because them needy, them end up greedy. So you see, the more you give them, and the more them want. And what easy way to go about than to be greedy. So you always a get. Enough of them man where you see a woman where you see out there in a certain position like the one where him himself in a, them no want come out of it. What me say? Them no want come out of it. Because them get so accustomed to people giving them things here, there and everywhere from all across the ocean. Them tell themselves that if them elevate from that spot where them hinna, where them seem to be needy, all of that are going to cut off. So guess what? Them no want to move from that level there. That's how them want to stay for the rest of them lifetime. So when you could have tried as you know me, when you could have take a bulldozer if you try to move them, they're not moving. When you could have give them much millions of dollars and say, boy, go and go rent place or build place, you will never see that happen. Because when them build place and say, right, them start rent or live comfortable, them tell themselves in the back of them head, tell themselves, boy, nobody now give me nothing again. Because them are going to say me alright. Yes, them are going to say me I live good. Yes, me don't need the money again to pay every night in the hotel. Yes, so nobody now going to look out for me. Because me build me look one room. Yeah. So them now look out for me. Yes, man. So because them always are going to want people to give to them and are sorry for them. Them not try to elevate themselves and move from which part them they will where them are get. Enough of them people get abundant amount of help from people. Thousands of dollars, if not millions, if you add it up. But where are they today? The same place. They have not moved. Every time them seems to move, them hook a reverse. Because as soon as them get some help and see like them are going to move to help themselves. This is what you are trying to tell him. Stand up on your foot, curve yourself, bend your belly. Make the sacrifice, cut your eye pass. You know, the whole heap of lavish food. Remember now, you know, You can't get up today and I'm lavish with the money where you have, and 2 days time you're hungry and want to pest the people again. It not gonna look good when the little way you have and I live lavish the 1 or the 2 days could have served you 2 weeks. You know what man and boy me know? They now work, you know. But some of them has them hustle a little money, them go around a little slot machine, them where you see them have, and then catch jackpot and them win thousands of dollars and all kind of sitting. Man all win $60,000-$80,000 upon jackpot. And within a night after that, some of them they have not cheat nor child. Them not pay rent, them not pay water, them not pay light bill, and they buy clothes, some of them. You wonder how they live. And by 2 days, or not even 2 days, some of them, within 24 hours, them broke like a dog. You wonder where them get the money from. Me where I work, me where I hustle, and me where I have a little thing I go on. Me not spend the amount of money where them spending a 2 days or a day. You understand me I say too, no? And guess what? That's the lifestyle them live for years. And you don't see no changes. Some of them hold more money than me and you where I work. What me say? Some of them hold more money than me and you where I work. Them spend more than when me and you are work. Because what? The mentality where them have of living is not to move from where them is. It's to stay right there. Because when them stay right there, them feel like people will always sorry for them and hand out, give to them. People will not stop sorry for people when they are sorry for themselves. If you try with somebody, you see them, you try one time, and you say, boy, you say, alright, so probably it's hard for them move out of the position because they've been so long. So let me try with him one more time. And you ever try with him even one more time and still not move. No give more than a 3rd chance. And some of them you get all 10, 15 chance and still now move from where them there. A full time to stop sorry for some of them. Some of them present themselves. Some of them will know say yes, them in a spot and a position and them needy. You understand? But as me say, we are sorry for them. But them not sorry for themselves because them no want to move out of the spot with them inner. Because the spot with them inner with naked eye it no look good, but within themselves it comfortable to them. Because them always are going to get the handout because people are sorry for them. You understand me I say? So 99, stop accommodate these people. You see them one off and you help them and you assist them. Leave them alone. No make them come at your yard. No make them feel comfortable if they come to you. No care how far you and them come from. Them even used to cross, you go cross school. If them was the warden or the pedestrian crossing and the white sitting and the thick all up in our ear, stop. And of them used to carry you cross and you're young and go to school. If you do something for them, leave them after that. No make them take no set upon you. Because these are the same people who are trying to bring you down. These are the same people who are trying to disrespect you. These are some people when you have no head space and when them do, you talk about certain things like what you said this or no. You understand? How you bring it across. We know, I know that you really mean say must yam Chinese food and lavish food and nice food. But the position we're in now, he can't afford to. Me hear some of them say, boy, oh, you can yam what you want yam. Yes, you can afford to yam what you want yam. Because after your hard work and sweat, you have earned that you can get up tomorrow morning and spend 200,000 and now put it on your jaw after you spend it. How much we can do it? How much we can do it? Remember one time, God, if me spend $2,000 buy all something where me want, me not really need. And when me buy it, the next man me the punches much I want. I mean I tell you $2,000. You understand? So there's a difference between she and Derrick. And this is what she try to tell Derrick. I want to make it look like the woman I tell Derrick said don't eat good. Eat some little tin mackerel, eat some little dirty food. Yes, eat that. Eat something when a good for you. And that the woman mean. The woman just on the best to Derrick and I try How much on to buy a Ganzi from Derrick where I chat off on a dusty mouth? How much on to blogger we make how much money out of social media buy a Ganzi from Derrick or a hat from him? How much on? How much on ever look on Derrick and give him $5,000? And the whole on in a social media together. How much on to make money off of Derrick? And ever call him and give him $1,000 so we put it towards him hotel fee for tonight for sleep. But you don't see how much time him go down a yard. How much on him can find on a yard. Someone who ever want to stand up and talk to Derrick with people so no. Because no want no picture go out there. Someone who ever want Derrick know which part on the live so him can even pass and stop and beg on look warm water for boil like a tea. Because you don't want no picture go out there for you say Derrick can come out of your yard. But yet still, him free for go 99. And as she say, she not stop Derrick from come there. You understand? But as me I say, Donna, a full time for you let go that type of sentiment the way you have with people. You can't say people are try to drag you and make people use them to drag you. And you still, you know, have them round you because probably the type of person them is or probably through you and them are come from far. As soon as you start see that man, cut ties, man. Cut ties. You can't, you reach a stage now where you can't have people have your name all over drag you for simple things and foolishness. Because remember now, you know, them have you like say you're not human, you know. Them have you like you're a master God, you know. So there is nothing you can do, you know. You understand? Right now, if you come out on your life and say, Lord, my house stop a leak, then figure more or less say your house stop should not leak. And billionaire house stop cannot leak because if the house stop a leak, all you're going to know your house just done bill. If there's a leak, you can't know until pressure water touch it. That's how you're going to know say it a leak. You just done build the place. But yet still you find out say it a leak and you say, Lord God, me go in the house and the little rain fall, the whole over this a leak. Them run out with it. Lord, see that be a cheap material she buy and go on like say she da buy some good material. No steel good at every in the roof. Yes man, no see how much sand she mix with gravel and no cement now in it. That's why it must see a leak. And them find all kind of negative thing to say. Because them figure more or less say fear or should not leak. And this is what you need to understand. So you reach a stage in life that you can't do nothing in the public eyes or say nothing. Me know you're just a natural person. Where you don't care what you say or what you do. But make sure what you say and what you do it with your own will. Not like when them your man and the rest all of them will get you involved in something like a cuss and make them drag your name. You feel like come by your life, come say your house a leak at your house. You feel like come by your life, come say boy your toilet now flush at your toilet. I know you make it now flush. I know money make it now flush. It develop a fault. So you're going to call in the plumber now. I don't like say it go run through your house and you can't call in the plumber. But what? Them are going to run with it. Them are going to run with it. Lord, for your house toilet should not flood out the way you go on. Anybody else toilet can bung and flood out. So what you going to talk about? But because your name Donna Marigo, you're supposed to be perfect. You're supposed to be next to Jesus Christ. And as you hear me say, sometimes I feel like Jesus Christ not perfect neither, because when you see how some of them are in a phone, when you see some of them are human beings, how them behave, you wonder if God should have really make all them put on hurt. So sometimes you have to wonder if a mistake he make. You understand? But them just feel like say you're next to God, so there is nothing you can do or say in them eyesight. If you come out and you talk factual thing, them still twist it. If your mouth slip, them twist it. If you say something and you don't really mean what you say, you just say it as a joke, them twist it and take it serious. If you say something about how you bring it across, and never properly, the proper way for probably you bring it across, them not sit down and think, man, no man, I know some auntie that I mean, man. That don't mean that, man. We know her, she don't mean that. But I just she that. You don't know she have her own dictionary. She call her own words. She pronounce her words for her way. Them not look on that. Them just want the slip of the tongue of 99. You know much other people gonna tell Derrick where you tell him? And worse. And you don't hear nothing about it. You know much other people gonna talk all kind of man and people that think on them live about Derrick. And you don't hear about it. Even with the little saga with the next TikTok away unalive, them find unalive. Look how much things them say about him. And it's just 2 day talk and it done. All kind of black hearted boy, them fi question him, them fi hold him feet, them fi taranat, and them fi warranat. 2 day talk and it done. And it never blow up so. It never blow up so. You understand? But through you is Donna Marie Go. Lady, start keep these people at a distance. Keep these people at a distance. When you see these people that come, transform your heart. Transform your heart when you see them come. Worse if you don't help them already. You understand? Because as me tell you, enough of them now want to come out of the position of them in a them want to live in it for lifetime. Because it's the easy way out. Because as you come out of it, and people say you're comfortable, you're up on your foot, all the way them I get from here, there, everywhere I go shut off. Very few might still give. And them no want that. So them continue to live the messy life where them I live. And pretend like them want to come out of it. Remember now, you know. If me not live nowhere, I me catch a one friend yard or me a catching a one little old bus or old car and people start see me and sorry for me and want me move out. Probably people can't build house give me. Nobody can give me nowhere to live. But people help me where financially a little dollar here, a little dollar there, a little dollar here. More than where you can buy food out and leave. And you want to tell me say you can't take that and put that aside. And when you go so boom, you can't go rent somewhere. I go release one little piece of land and put up something and make people say yes, you really mean. I mean I talk Derrick now, me I talk in general. You know, people say you really mean business and want to come out of the lifestyle you're in presently. You go lease one little piece of land and put up if I even one little board house, if I even one pallet house. Go buy some pallet and put up on it. Take one little 3-5 year lease. When people say, yeah, do that now, they may come on even stronger and help you. But guess what? Them not think so. Them no want to move that way there. Because if they move that way, them feel like a less help them are going to get. Anyway, Dada, as me I say, you need to keep these people at a distance. Keep these people at a distance. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching, you know. Come to the end, me never plan to talk so long. But you know when they talk chat, me not tap. But all I want to go hungry belly blagger out there. You feel like someone name drop off of the almanac. You know, because someone print almanac with no name, you know. And when you go back on the name, no depend the almanac. Someone drop off of the map. Someone drop off of social media. Someone before Facebook and Instagram shut down while there wasn't nowhere to be found. But all of a sudden you appear back. And if you appear back, you get some attention by calling 99 name. You understand? As you hear me telling you and read this, how this is when you title film video when you put on film thumbnail. Because him don't tell himself say. If him say that, Planka Nation are going to come. Yes man. And they did go. Because them did give him a fine flagging over there. That I feel like him come on for the video. Him done the live or the video where I do before time. Because him realized say he was swarmed by plankers. So him couldn't go no further. Him attack how much lad. Me not have no time for you right now. Me don't have no water and I make care if I rinse out my mouth and spit it out and talk and tell you. So yeah what? Just have a nice night. And I saw him over there talk to him one at a time start. Big up Planka Nation, big on up, big on up. Yeah man, I know the dagger run come, big on up, big on up. Yes man. You understand? But when you title your video like this now, what kind of picture you are paint? You could have titled it better than that, you know. You could have titled it and say, Lord, Derrick nasty up 99, Derrick nasty up Donna. What? And put it if I even a weird there. But why you have to come with that? You understand? Be in mind, people. You don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up on the video, and please to watch the ads. Continue to support both of my channel. And I don't know the link of the YouTuber in my comment section pin. Give her a subscription. Tamika Douglas TV, she in my community. Just hit the top of the title and you're going to see the link and give her a subscription. Then big up yourself. Scotty, Miss P, Nicole, Debbie Brissett, JJ, you know, Jennifer Minot, Margaret West. Just big up on yourself. We have a road call for do one of them there. Easter come up. So no bless up on yourself. All of my support of them. Big up.